Did Solana just get hacked? Check it out. And welcome back to the channel. If you have not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's free. Smash that button. Make it explode. My name is Seth. You're watching MineYourBiz. And yes, Solana did just get hacked. Let's talk a little bit about what it could be, and in my opinion, what it probably isn't. To cut to the chase, it seems to have affected people who were only using plug-in wallets, right? Software wallets or hot wallets in the browser, and who set up their wallets sometime in the last 6 months. That's what we know so far. Let's take a look at Decrypt Media to see what they have to say about it. Apparently, it's ongoing. We know it's ongoing. It's confirmed. Over 5,000 Solana wallets have been drained in the past few hours, and it isn't just affecting the Solana tokens or the Sol token itself. SOL. Haha. Bummer. Actually, that really stings. I'm not going to joke about that anymore. It's also affecting SPL tokens, which are essentially wrapped Ethereum tokens on Solana. So the primary tokens that are being targeted are SOL and USDC. Why? Very likely because there's a lot of value to be had there. Why does anybody ever hack anything? Because there's a lot they can steal. So let's take a look at some more of what we know right now. There's an unknown Sol exploit currently draining random Phantom wallets, said crypto investor Miles Deutscher. 6 million currently stolen. If you have funds on Phantom, make sure to revoke all permissions and move to a hardware wallet. That, in my opinion, is very good advice, and we'll talk about why. Well, already mentioned before, it seems to be affecting software wallets primarily that have been set up in the last 6 months or so. And we'll talk about what that means. But hardware wallet, that has always made sense to me. I've got a hardware wallet right here, the Nano S Plus, which supports Solana. I've stuck with Ledger precisely because it supports Solana. Why? Because I will not use Solana, IBC, including any IBC enabled network, whether it's Cosmos Hub or Secret Network or Osmosis or anything else, unless it has hardware wallet backing. Way too many people getting wrecked using hot wallets or just software wallets. And this is a prime example. My heart goes out to the victims. I'm not trying to shame you or blame you. I am just saying you can stay safe into the future using a hardware wallet. And I've always felt strongly about this, and anybody who cares to listen to me will have heard that from me. My stance is unchanged at this point. There was a time where I thought, okay, too many experimental networks, so it might not be practical to use a hardware wallet, but news like this makes it obvious that you need to have a hardware wallet. So the NFT marketplace Magic Eden also went on Twitter and warned their users of the exploit, saying you need to revoke permissions to other places, other websites, and even NFT sites that are competitors to Magic Eden. Phantom Wallet has kind of been implicated in all of this, but they said, we're working closely with other teams to get to the bottom of a reported vulnerability in the Solana ecosystem. Now, they're not wrong to point to the broader ecosystem. I don't think it was just a Phantom Wallet problem. I think it was the broader Solana ecosystem. And they say at this time, this team does not believe this is a Phantom-specific issue. As soon as we gather more info, we will issue an update. Another user reported his USDC balance was drained also. Crypto analyst 0x Fubar said the attacker is stealing both native tokens and SPL tokens, affecting wallets that have been inactive for less than 6 months. And this is the theory. It might be an upstream dependency supply chain attack. What does that mean in plain English? It means that there could be a snippet of code that hot wallets require to create the private keys. Now, it could be a random number generator. It could be some other part of the hierarchical deterministic wallet generation, the seed phrase creator. There could be some other aspect of this software that that's come under attack or has become compromised in some way that's allowing these attackers to figure out, kind of reverse engineer all those wallets that have been created in the recent history and then have been inactive for a short amount of time, right? So just under, I guess, 6 months, it looks like. And so, yeah, the fact that these transfers are being signed by the private keys of people using these hot wallets means that it isn't a third party hacking their accounts per se. It is a kind of an engineering attack. So this is very, very different, and it's very, very disconcerting. I'm going to say that the author, or me, not the author, but yours truly, I am double checking token balances on the Solana block explorer at explorer.solana.com and ensuring that, yes, my accounts are okay. They appear to be just fine, and confirming that I was able to go to a trusted site and even take some tokens off of a trusted site and sign with my hardware wallet to be able to transfer those tokens to myself, to my wallet. My Solana balance is untouched. Any SPL tokens that may have been in this account are untouched. But are you okay? That's my question to you. Please tell me that you're safe down in the comments. I'd love to know that you made it out okay. If you haven't gotten a hardware wallet, do check the links down in the description of this video. I have links to both directly to Ledger as well as to Amazon, where you can pick up the Ledger Nano S, I think for almost $20 off, plus the 2-day free Prime shipping. I think you'd be perfectly fine picking those up. Not financial advice, just saying it's security advice, and it's good advice. You know it's good advice, and we're seeing exactly why. Stay safe. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. Hit the thumbs up, sharing this, being subscribed if you're not already. You're the reason I make this media. I love your face. Remember to stay private and mind your biz. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. Remember to check out MineYourBiz, where you can sign up for MineYourBiz Insiders, our occasional newsletter where we don't spam you, but we do send out occasional important information, including flash sales and important deals on privacy-preserving technology. This is one of the ways that we can talk to you without censorship and without the oversight of third-party media platforms. You can also check out the new MineYourBiz phone, as well as merch, or sign up to become an affiliate for anything sold directly on the MineYourBiz website. You can earn a percentage of anything that we sell. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. You're the reason I make this media. I love your face. Remember to stay private and mind your biz.